Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a little bit about how to run PHP project without use WAMPServer or XAMPP. So in the VsCode we can install any extension to run PHP, but I will show you how to run PHP with a extension is PHP server. Go to the extension, okay, and then you can search PHP server. So this is the extension that I want to show you is the PHP server. Let's start it, and you can install, but I'm installed already. You can install it. Okay, go to the project. So this is the my file project PHP that I code already. So go to right click and click on the PHP server shell project. You will see the PHP will run. Okay, now PHP is run. This is that I want to show you. Thank you. Bye bye.